Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 8 or 8.1 with a valid product key. Okay, so let's start right away. In your experience, once you are installing Windows 8 or 8.1, you will get the message of you are asking they will ask you, or the Microsoft will ask you the valid product key. Okay, so like this one. Okay, so here's in my other side of my screen. You can see here I have provided a different product key that you can use activating your Windows 8.1. So I'm going to try first one, this one. Okay, so let's try it right away. To BTH or NH. Be careful with typing, guys, because once you mistype one letter or one number, you will get an error message that your product key is not right. Okay, so we don't want it to happen. TX9JR FCWXB. Okay, you can see now the next button is activated, or now we can proceed to the next steps. Let's see if this product key will work. Okay, so I think this works. Let's accept this one. Next. And then, okay, so that's it. Okay, so guys, that's how you install the Windows 8 or 8.1. Again, you can use uh, different product key here that is available. Just be careful with the typing. And that's it for this video. If you want this video, or if this video helps you, you can leave a thumbs up and you can subscribe, so there's more coming video for the technical problems. Alright, that's it. Thank you.